We're back doing electrical work.
Happy to be here.
Because we are, as we proved in the last video, the best electricians to ever do it.
It's all lies.
You know we're in the final stages of the house when we have the to-do to finish the house list. The to-do to list. That box is making some funny noises, man.
I remember that night back in '63. It was yesterday.
Do you?
Well, I was born in '63. It was very dark,
And then it wasn't.
and then it was bright, and somebody slapped me. That needs to be at an actual height. Go upstairs and see how high switches are off the floor.
Would you believe me if I told you none of them were at the same height?
Yes.
I'm
Google.
thinking 4 feet.
Google where it should be.
48 inches. 4 feet. 4 foots. Count them. 4 foots. Where's the little screws that we're using?
They're in a box over there somewhere.
Can you find the box that they're in? Count how many boxes. 1, 2.
You gotta look in them. There's a bathroom on the right.
There's a bathroom
On the right, there's a bathroom.
with no light.
There's a bathroom with no light.
You see that, guys?
They're gonna try to love, touch, and squeeze each other.
Ew.
Must be talking about zits. Dr. Pimple Popper.
The old doc.
Any tool can be used as a hammer. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
cis.
Yeah,
It
the
still
way
has
God
this
intended.
junk on it.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Okay. And then this box here, this is the trans box, because we cut this
We have-
junk off.
yeah. We had to cut
to
its
put
junk
it on
off.
there. Okay. You're gonna put a box there.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna run one wire out, one of them BX wires out of here into that box, and one BX wire out of here into that light. You take care of that.
Where's my cyst box?
That's the sys box.
Found
right
it.
there.
Rada, rada. Rada, rada. Man, I need my own bucket. We're bucket men around these parts.
A bucket man trying to break my leg right here at work.
September.
Get to work right there.
I think I messed up a little bit.
Would you mess up a little bit?
I cut this a little too short.
Here, you can have your bucket
Oh,
back.
thanks.
We should just wear stilts.
I think we should. That's ingenuity right there.
Man glitter.
Man glitter. Why did they say Bruce?
I don't know.
Did you hear that?
Bruce!
Bruce! Don't bring me down. Bruce!
Bruce must be a real downer.
Yeah, I just got a bunch of man glitter in my mouth.
I learned a new German word this week at work.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What is it?
Frutzenkanone.
What's that mean?
Fart cannon.
That's a good word. We did it.
You did it?
Did it.
Okay.
And you know, you can have me down, never bite the chain. I don't think I would ever say that. Cause I'm literally a chain breaker, you know. You wanna trade me
Trade you what?
boxes?
Why?
Well, I mean, I guess I could figure out how to do this one.
No,
It's
don't
literally
do it.
just this wire. That's the only one I'm concerned about.
Well, you better be concerned with more than that, because they don't all get hooked together.
Well, yeah, then please trade me. I'm gonna get some nuts. Some nuts! And then I'm gonna go my own way! You know, I'm fine with not having like dessert after dinner. Okay? But not having some sweet treat after lunch, that's where I draw the line.
Need a little help? Need a little pick-me-up? Little cookie?
Little cookie?
Yeah, I do. Say who?
I'm good to put this light together too. It just gets shoved in those.
Yeah. Put a light bulb in that light over there.
This one?
Only light. Yeah, the one you just did? Yeah, put a light bulb in that.
Only the good die young. What's that mean about us, Dad?
Must not be very good. Okay, turn the power on.
Which
I
one?
think we have it all hooked up. I don't know, follow it back. Is it off?
Yeah.
Turn it on.
The light
far,
just went
so
on in
good.
there.
So far, so good.
I just saw a light turn on in there.
Okay, that worked.
Wow.
If the window is closed, the fan don't come on.
Nice, man. Let's go.
Turn it off. Quit your whining about your old broken heart.
You stop it right
I
now.
don't have time for it.
I ain't got no
I
dang
got
time
switches
for
to
it.
wire. And no circuit popping here.
You know what I have to say about that?
What?
Nice! I hope you're dancing in the sky.
I thought it was in disguise.
Oh, yeah, maybe that too.
Dancing in disguise, dressed up like Batman or something.
Electrical box tabs for your thoughts. You get it? Instead of penny for your thoughts, electrical box tabs for your thoughts?
Elon Musk is going to do away with pennies.
No. Is it too much to ask for? A cookie with lunch, man. It's all we want. Mom, remember, no, just kidding. You got the linesmans? Since we only have one of each tool.
Do you have the company strippers? I'll trade you the company strippers for the company linesmen. You know Chris Tomlin?
Never met him.
Not personally.
Have you ever met Joe?
Joe who?
Joe Mama.
Yeah, I know my mama.
Do we want to put one on this wall back here? So we'll have 1, 2, 3.
Sure.
And then just, like, that seems like plenty to me. Men only want one thing, and it's disgusting, right, Dad? To finish their dang house.
A cookie with lunch.
That's all men want,
It's
man.
just a cookie with lunch, that's all.
Sing us a song, Piano Man.
Oh my. Now that's a cookie.
There's two
What's a
of them
Panera cookie?
temporarily, but the whole building's for sale. There's an apartment upstairs.
I'm sure the folks have asked before why we don't clean up. And we have a great reason for it.
Yeah?
It is, why would we waste the time cleaning when we only get
Yeah,
such a little
just
time
a waste
here?
of time.
It's just a waste of time cleaning.
It's
Like,
complete
we'll
not a
clean at
waste
the
of
end,
time.
but right now, it's time to work.
It's go time. I couldn't hear because I was shaking.
You have the screwdriver? This is the moment of truth. Yeah, buddy! Ladies and gentlemen, what a day. Let me take you and show you what we've done.
We got tired. We got dirty.
Show them, Dad. Man, oh man. And this light will connect to this light eventually, but there's no drywall, so it's not connecting to nothing. And then show them this magical thing right here. Wow. Wow. It's beautiful. And you guys might be like, wow, you guys did such great work, and I'm sure that took all day. But no, we were really hustling today. So then we decided we're gonna put outlets around the rest of the basement. So we installed 3 outlets, pulled the wire, and everything. This is what's really exciting. We get to cross something off the to-do-to list. So, Dad, do you want to do the honors?
Oh no, you be my
No, please.
Which one is it? I don't even know which one it is.
It's add plugs to the basement.
Okay, ready?
Wow.
Yippee!
Guys, there's nothing else to be said. We'll see you in next one. Bye. Love you.
Bye.